So we're going to be in a 90-90 position for the hips. We're going to do 2 different motions here. We're going to do one for the back leg, one for the front leg. We're going to be holding these positions. So I want you with your back leg, with your knee, push your knee down into the floor, lift up your foot off. Some people, given they're not strong enough, you might have to lean forward in order to get that hip or that lower leg to lift off the floor. That's okay to do it initially. As you get better, you should be able to lift off with your torso upright so you don't compensate. But in order to start, you can lean forward without using your hands on there. Hold it. You should feel it right here on the side of the hip. Holding for 5 seconds to start and then slowly lower. Okay, same thing goes for this front leg. We're going to lift up the whole leg. Your foot is the one driving to the ceiling. It shouldn't just be your whole leg lifting. You feel more adductor at that point. We want more external rotators as we do this. So I want the foot to drive up, hold this position, 5 seconds, and then come down. So you can alternate each leg, or you can just do 10 or 10 just to get started, and then work your way up and try to prevent compensating as you go, because again, this is to strengthen the hip internal and external rotators.